Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of a web tech tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to delete contacts on iPhone. If you'd like to delete a certain contact on your iPhone, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to delete a contact from your iPhone, then it's pretty easy. Tap on the phone app on your iPhone. You'll end up in the Recents tab, which displays all of the recent calls that you made. To open up a contact that you'd like to delete, go to the Contacts tab at the bottom. All of the contacts that you've saved on your iPhone will be displayed on the screen. Select any contact that you'd like to delete and tap on the Edit button in the top right hand corner. Scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see a button that says Delete Contact. Tap it on in order to bring up a pop-up menu. Confirm your selection by tapping on Delete Contact, and the contact is no longer available on your Contacts tab. When you delete a contact, it permanently deletes it from your device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.